Hey, good evening, everybody. What do we have here? May 3rd. This is my 11th grow using this setup here at Mars Hydro's uh, TSW 2000. See, all of a sudden I couldn't remember it. Holy shit. When you're 76, this is the shit that happened. Especially if you're totally ripped, which is hard to do once you consume a lot of this stuff. But look at this. Look at that fat cola. Look at this one trying to fill in. Go for it. This one's trying to fill in too. Hell, I'm just going to keep pumping the light on them and upping the potassium and phosphorus. And the temps in here right now, according to this one, are 91 degrees with 23% humidity. Humidity is a pain in the ass. I have two humidifiers. I just haven't put the water in this one to get it cranked up. I can get it up to 40, maybe 45%. Other than that, it's not. So right now, the temperature outside is 96 degrees. I'm planning on doing an experimental grow from hell, or grow in hell, 2 summers ago, I think it was. 118 degrees, I harvested one of these right here. One of those. Crazy girls. It was a totem pole. All of them turned into totem poles and no branching. This is the latest I think I've ever started. In fact, I know with any outdoor grows this time of the year, usually it's about a month ago, I should have put some out. Anyhow, these are ready to chop down. I'm just going to let them go a little bit more. And here, let's see what the temperature is in here. Hold on. It's way too hot in here. All right. Hey, thanks, Paulie. About 2 years ago, I think it was, when it was real hot. Paulie, if you look above, it's Paulie with some numbers there. It's right there. I'll put it on there. He suggested to take one of these and set it right up here against the camera itself. So if I do it right, I can have it just like this. All right. So it's on there. It should do it. All right. All right, the old AC 14,000 BTU winner dual hose. Dual hose, if you're not familiar with it, 2 hoses, one for a intake and one exhaust. And I go high dollar, all digital equipment. Yeah, that's my control panel there. Everything you need to know. It's 80 degrees in the tent right now, and it was at it'll go up to about 86 or something like that. I can't zoom in because I got this ice pack on here. Let's see if I can. Hold on. I got to be still somewhat coordinated. There we go. All right, run about 80. I turned the fan off completely just so that the cold air wasn't going to be sucked out of there. I know it sinks. So let's go to the tent here. And this is where the AC it comes into the tent. And yeah, so I'm real happy with what's going on here. And let's see, what do I need to say here? Not a whole lot. This is week 11, day 2 of week 11, and they're about ready to harvest. I'm going to give them another week, maybe a week and a half, and we'll see what happens on that. But y'all have a great afternoon, and stay lifted, elevated, stoned, whatever it is. This is going to be age restricted. Everyone in my goddamn videos is age restricted with, you know, I don't get it. I don't get it. And yeah, I've yet to get a full video like this one right here. Every single one of them, I can't even remember when, are all restricted. Every appeal is denied, but you know, such as it is. All right, one last look. These smell so good, and they're tight. I mean, look at that crazy black girl. That's a good sized nug right there. It's so, the light, oh shit, there you go. Excuse this, I should just turn the light off so I can see this freaking camera screen. All right, there it is. You guys have a great Sunday, and yeah, grow on.